State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Okay, good morning, everyone. I have got you checked in. I'm trying to get you out in the order that you're checked in. I've got your name written down. If I haven't addressed you by name, I'm going to just say good morning to you now. We'll try to do the best we can to get you out as fast and efficiently as possible, all right? So, let's get going. Emma Gibson.
Yes.
Good morning to you, ma'am. This is the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? Well, I'm sorry.
Yes, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Emma Jean Gibson, case number SB 156900061. Appearance for the record, please.
Oh, well, that's Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gibson.
Emma Jean Gibson.
Hey, good morning, Ms. Gibson. Today is the date and time. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Ms. Gibson, this is an allowing. It's a $240 fine if you were found guilty or pled guilty to it. I would dismiss a payment. I'm going to let you speak. However, I'm going to let you speak with Mr. Berry and have a conversation with him. You have an absolute right to a trial. Hold on a second, Bostic. Please. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Gibson, and speak to Mr. Berry about this and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Yes.
All right. Judge Draper, good morning to you.
Where you at?
Your Honor, good to see you.
Good to see you as well.
Here.
Who's your client?
Is Stowe Black M-A-N.
You're breaking up a little bit.
Nico.
Am I breaking up? I'm sorry. It's Likomanov. L-I-K-O-M-A.
You gotta get up here.
L-I-K.
O-M-A-N-O-V.
That's the last name? Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
It's a business case.
Yeah, you're breaking up, Judge Draper.
I'm going to find a new spot, Your Honor. I apologize.
Okay. And then Counselor, I'm sorry, Counselor Zepke.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning to you. Your client.
My client, yes, Gross Turner, and we have a plea to operating while intoxicated from the super drunk.
All right. All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Risto Cavano. Case number U69603324. Appearance for the record, please.
Morning, Your Honor. David Draper on behalf of Mr. Likomanov.
Licabano. Is this Licabano here, Mr. Draper? You know?
He's sharing on my office is giving him the Zoom info. I think he already has it.
What are we doing with this case?
Ultimately, as missile judge, we have was a, just a,
You're breaking up pretty good.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna find a new spot, Your Honor. I apologize. I'll move.
No problem. All right, let's pass it until, we get the, let's pass it until we get it. This is the city of Detroit versus, Rashid Aristotle Gross Turner. Case number Z8084211. Appearance for the record, please.
Hello, Judge Jordan Zucky, P78212, on behalf of Mr. Gross Turner, who is present by Zoom. No objection.
Okay, Mr. Gross Turner, good morning to you, counsel. Mr. Gross Turner, can you state your name, please? You have to unmute yourself, please. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Sorry, Judge. Rashid Aristotle Gross Turner.
Today is the date and time set for trial. You indicated to the court there's already been a deal worked out?
Yes, there's an operating while intoxicated deal contingent on sobriety court. And we will accept that offer. I just was looking for a BAC in my report, Judge.
I have a high BAC. I have 0.7. I can give you what, I don't know if it's in here, if there's a, now, is this the sentencing is just gonna be sentencing him to sobriety court, right?
Yes.
So he's already agreeing, you already worked out him going to Judge Holmes, right?
Yes, and I believe the court had him speak to probation the last time we were here about this very thing.
Oh, this has been in front of me before?
Yes, one last time.
I have a BAC.
I have it, Judge. 2.24.
Well, that's serious business there. I mean, I don't know, how much more you can drink after that before you almost kill yourself, or at least from alcohol poisoning, let alone driving. I'm glad you want to consent to go to sobriety court. How many, is this your first time having is this your first drunk driving offense?
Yes.
I guess you do. Mm-hmm.
And did you, what about testing? What are we doing on testing? Let's get probation down here before we take this. All right. I'm gonna pass the matter. Can we get probation, please? I'm gonna pass the matter and see what's going on with testing.
Judge, I don't know if the court ever ordered it, was my recollection.
Oh, absolutely we did. I don't know if he ever did it.
Yeah, I went to pre-trial drug testing.
How many times?
I went once a week. You told me to go once a week. I went once a week up until this date.
And then what are the results gonna be? What am I gonna see?
You're gonna see good results.
Very good. Let's pass it momentarily. Now let's go back on the record with Litkavano. I'm gonna waive the presence of
Your Honor.
your client, Mr. Draper, Judge Draper.
Has he-
I'm going to, what do you need, a pretrial date? Is this something that's supposed to work itself out here?
It will, Judge. I just spoke to the people, and if we could just get a trial date, we'll return and resolve it on that date.
Very well. I'm gonna give you a trial date of August 26th, if that works for your schedule. 9
That'll
a.m.
work, Your Honor. Excellent. August the 26th, Your Honor?
August 26th, 2024 at 9 a.m.
I'll see you then. Thank you so much, Judge. Have a great day.
You as well.
Thank you.
Let's get Roderick Larkins. Oh, let me also get Mr.
David Langston is here.
David Langston out here too. City of this Brian, is this Roderick Brian Larkins?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you. This is the city of Detroit versus Robert Brian Larkins. What's your date of birth, please?
February the 5th, 1977.
That's not the right one. Case number, City of Detroit versus Robert Brian Larkins, case number SP 1568461 and SP 1568461. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 7173 on behalf of Mr. Larkins.
Mr. Larkins, can you state your name for the record, please?
Roger Brian Larkins.
Good morning to you. Today is date and time set for pretrial. You have valid driver's license, sir?
So I'm still working on that right now, sir.
How long is it gonna take you to get it?
I got to I'm about to pay for a class.
I'm gonna give your client a pretrial date of July the 5th, 2024 at 8:30, all right?
Can I pay the tickets?
You know, there's nothing to pay. You have to bring a license. There's nothing to pay.
Okay.
Your son needs to come on in. That's your son.
Yeah, Roger Brian Larkins Jr.
Yep. He needs to come in.
I don't know what he did.
Other than that, come back on July the 5th, 2024, bring a valid license. We'll dismiss the case. Have a good day.
Mr. Larkins, so that you are clear, the judge is telling you to get in contact with your son immediately and have him log in like you logged in. He has this before the court today. We do not want a warrant to issue for his arrest. So go ahead and call him and tell him to log in now.
I don't have no contact with him.
Already a warrant for his arrest.
Your Honor, I ain't seen my son in about a year or two.
I hope you can reconnect with your son and make him repair that relationship.
I've been staying in contact with him, but he's like on a whole nother level.
I understand. Hopefully you continue to work on you guys bringing that back to a good relationship and he can.
Oh, it's a good relationship, but it's just, I don't know where he at right now. I ain't seen him since I had moved.
All right. Well, you just come on back July the 5th, 2024 at 8:30 a.m. Bring a valid driver's license. All right.
Zoom. Okay.
All right. Langston, David Langston.
Yes, sir.
LANGSTON.
That's correct.
Date of birth 10/15/85.
Yes, sir.
Oh, you have a speeding ticket. City of Detroit versus David Dean Langston, case number SP 15355-241.
Okay, can I say something, sir?
No, not yet.
All right.
The date. This is not something that was on the docket. It was adjusted to pay. Miss Mason, what is the offer going to be for him to resolve this now? 6 to 10 over.
That's all he's got, Judge, 6 to 10 over, that one?
All these 6 to 10 over, and he wants to say something. I'm gonna give you opportunity, but let's
Judge, I'll give him a 1 to 5 LA. Give him a 1 to 5 LA on that.
Limited access 1 to 5. What do you want to say, Mr. Langston?
Mr. Langston, wait a minute, Mr. Langston, this is the house counsel.
Let me put you in a breakout room with a lawyer and have a conversation. Limited access 1 to 5 it does abstract to the Secretary of State. $125. We'll close it out. Speak with Ms. Robinson in the breakout room. All right, you can talk to her about whatever you need.
Okay, thank you.
We're going to room 3, correct, Your Honor?
Yes. All right, let's get Miss Gibson. Let's go back on the record with Miss Gibson. Miss Gibson, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's Miss Gibson want to do?
Ms. Gibson seeks a trial date and the appointment of counsel, Your Honor.
Very good. Is that what you want to do, Miss Gibson?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. August the 23rd is going to be your next court date. I need a good phone number from you.
A new phone for me?
A good phone number from you.
This is the only one I have, 313-727-9505, sir.
9505.
Yes, sir.
And what I needed that number for was for you to give so we can appoint you an attorney. What I need you to do is answer the calls you may not recognize. Hopefully one of those calls is that appointed attorney. I know there's a lot of those calls are for all other kind of reasons, but answer the calls you may not recognize, and hopefully one of those calls is that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that attorney in the next couple of weeks, get back in touch with the court. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot, okay? Other than that, I'm gonna expect that if I don't hear from you before August 23rd, that you've had contact with that lawyer and you guys have had a conversation, and that'll be the trial date on August 23rd. All right, ma'am?
I hear you.
Any other questions?
No, I'm good. Thank you, sir.
All right, very well. If there's nothing further, Ms. Gibson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, sir. You have a good one too.
Thank you.
Where we go?
Spidell?
I'm here.
Yeah, are you officer?
No,
You may be in the wrong courtroom. I don't know. Let's check. I don't see you on the docket. Is that your full?
Charlicia Spidell.
Are you related to Officer Spidell?
No, I get asked all the time though.
I know you do. He writes a lot of tickets. You get a lot of tickets. Okay. Let's see where you're supposed to be. I see you down here for us tomorrow for some reason. You must have gotten your tickets out of the 4th precinct. You got cases all week, huh? And you're still in the driver. And are you driving now?
No, I'm at my daughter's graduation, but to have this meeting, I had to step into the vehicle.
You're still in the driver's seat. 58996. Who is that? 58996. That is Judge Archer. You're supposed to be in Judge Archer's court now. You're supposed to be with us tomorrow.
Okay.
All right. So you need to check into Judge Archer's court right now. Let me get you the Zoom ID for that.
Is that courtroom 333?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yep. All right. You know how to get there, right?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
All right, we'll see you in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations on your daughter's graduation.
Thank you.
All right. Mr. Barry, is this Jason Roy Long? Jason Roy Long?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Oh, hold on one second.
Is Jason Roy Long?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Jason Roy Long.
Yes. I'm
Case
here.
numbers. All right, case numbers SP 155-35351. SP 155-35421. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Long.
Jason Roy Long.
Today is the date and time set for a is it free trial, Mr. Berry?
Show cause, Your Honor.
Show cause for purposes of arraignment.
We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute, Your Honor.
Give Mr. Long an updated offer. I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We only have one case on the docket. The other case that went with that was a failure to yield to right of way. Give Mr. Long an updated offer. Do you have a valid license, Mr. Long?
No, I was working on that. I was eligible for applying for Secretary of State. I never had a license, and
all right, Mr. Long. I need to cut you off. But speak to Mr. Berry about it. All right.
Okay.
And give Mr. Long an updated offer. Keep in mind, Mr. Long, you have an absolute right to a trial. All right.
Okay.
All right. Join the room,
Judge, the
please.
updated offer is 1 to 5 on that the new charge.
1 to 5. All right.
Thank you.
Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gross Turner. Ms. O'Driscoll, good morning to you.
Good morning to you, Your Honor.
Are you here on behalf of Gross Turner?
Yes, he was referred to the probation department for weekly drug and alcohol testing.
Very well. Why don't you give us an update if you could, please?
The defendant has been testing at ATS since April 5th of 2024. All tests have been negative for alcohol, but there has been 4 tests that are positive for THC marijuana. It does not appear he has a valid medical marijuana card.
I could have guessed that.
Yeah. So yeah.
I think 99% of the people that are going to be drinking are going to smoke some weed too. It seems like they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
Right, that's good.
Yeah, that's well. Yeah, now that it's legalized, everybody uses it. So, but he has been negative for all alcohol.
That's really important. I'm glad to hear that, Mr. Student. So I'm glad to hear that he said it with a lot of confidence. So it tells me that he's on his way to, that really tells me that he's very serious about this and he's taking this matter seriously, and I can appreciate that. Did you read your client his advice of rights, counselor?
Judge, yes, he understands his trial rights, would waive them and plead. Does the court need a signed advice of rights?
I would like one. I mean, that's always the best, but we haven't been doing it because of Zoom, so I'll put it on the record. So can you raise your right hand, Mr. Gross Turner? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Unmute yourself. Here, I'm going to give him a prompt, make it a little easier.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you. You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
All right. Put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes, sir.
Well, the maximum possible penalty for this offense should be 180 days as charged. Is that correct, counsel?
Yes, as charged.
As charged, 180 days. And $700 is fine. That would be the maximum possible penalty as charged. You understand that, sir? Plus some licensing sanctions.
Yes, I understand that.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes,
Your counsel went over some of your other advice or rights during the pendency of this case, did he not?
yes, he did.
You understood all of those rights?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about them?
Nope.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give all those rights up?
Yep. Yes, sir.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Let me draw your attention back to September the 9th, 2021. I know that couldn't be 9:50 a.m., could it? Was
I
that
don't believe
9?
that was. No, it was not 9:50 a.m. It was around like 3 in the morning. I was arrested.
This is probably when the warrant was signed, man.
Yeah, 3:26 a.m., Judge, from the report.
26 a.m. around that date and time in the city of Detroit, in the area of Livernois and Davison. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
And did you have something to drink before or during the operation of that motor vehicle?
Yes, sir.
What did you have to drink?
Alcohol.
What kind of alcohol, Mr.?
I believe it was Milagro.
And what is that?
A tequila.
You see how long it's been since I've drank anything? I don't even know what they got now out there now. Tequila. And how much tequila did you have?
I'm not actually sure how much I had.
I can believe that. With the would you agree that the alcohol affected your ability to effectively operate this motor vehicle?
Yes.
All right. You got anything further, counselor?
No, Judge.
Will you stipulate on your client's behalf to the data master report and the reading of that report being 0.24?
So stipulated, Judge.
All right, I'm gonna find your client guilty to the amended count. Was this just operating while intoxicated?
Yes.
I'm gonna find your client guilty of operating while intoxicated. I am going to sentence your client. We need to get a PSI report before we send them over there. So you'll be back with me one more time. Miss O'Driscoll, are you there still? Did she leave? All right, we're gonna sentence you to, I'm gonna give you a sentencing date. Let's say 30 days, June the 20th, 2024 at 10 a.m. I'm gonna order you to do a pre-sentence investigation report. And maybe let's do a substance abuse evaluation as well. I probably think that would help Judge Holmes proceed over there, and you're probably gonna have to do that anyway. So let's order you a substance abuse evaluation and a pre-sentence report. You'll get back, Ms. O'Driscoll should get in contact with you. And that'll be that'll conclude it. June the 20th, 2024 at 10 a.m. At 10 a.m.
Okay.
You have any further questions?
Judge, thanks.
All right, there's nothing further. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Okay. All right. Pardon me?
Your Honor, if I may, for Mr. Langston, before we go back on the record for him, he indicated that he received cards in the mail for something different other than a speeding ticket. He says that he received cards for a no operator's license and no insurance ticket. Can the court check and see if there's anything present in his name for that as well?
I thought I did. Now let's see.
I just want to make sure, because that's what he says he has documentation for, that we're addressing all of his issues.
Does he have a ticket number?
Mr. Langston, do you have those cards that you got in the mail with you?
Yes, I have one right here in my hand right now.
Okay. Do you see the ticket number on there?
Yes, it's SP155888761 OT.
License expired.
Not when I got.
Why is it not coming up under the way I pulled it up? We gotta find that out.
I don't know, sir, but my license is valid. When I got this ticket, my license was valid, sir.
Okay. Well, we have a way of looking that up, Mr. Langston. One moment. We'll just ask the clerk to pull it through the Secretary of State.
No problem. No problem.
Your Honor, in addition to that, with regards to this speeding ticket, can we have the date and time and location of this ticket?
That ticket says it's closed. That was dismissed by party.
The speeding ticket, Your Honor?
No, the ticket number he just gave me, license expired, that was dismissed on 4/23/2024.
So I got a ticket in the mail, so that's why I'm here, sir. It's like 5/20/24.
That's closed out. The speeding ticket is still open. That was amended. That was amended from 16 to 20, 6 to 10. So he just owes the money now.
Yep. That's what I thought.
Your Honor, wait one moment. That's the one he was just made the offer of the 1 to 5 over on. We're just asking for.
Listen, wait a minute, Miss Gabe Robinson, that is, I did give the offer on that, but I didn't see that he was already found responsible on that date for 4/23/2024 as well. He was originally charged 16 to 20 over. It was amended to 6 to 10 over. It was the 135.
I just saw you 2 weeks ago, Judge. Yeah.
I know, and that's where we took care of this stuff.
Yeah. And I just got a new job, so and that's what's going on, because I lost my job because I was on Zoom and they didn't care about my job. So
well, I don't know if they didn't care. You said we didn't care about the job. We
no, not you, sir. Not you, sir. My job. I'm sorry.
Yeah. All right. Well, you owe what you want to put a date in here when you can pay this 135 now? How long do you want?
I can pay it this coming Friday.
The 24th?
Yes, sir.
All right. Best of luck to you. Pay at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone. Do you need to say any more, Miss Gabe Robinson?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Be safe, and or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day and best of luck to you.
You have a good day too, sir.
That's right. Thank you. Michael Gardner.
Okay, Tommy.
Good morning to you. What's your
Good morning.
middle name? You have a middle name, sir?
Yes, Your Honor. Anthony, Michael Anthony Gardner.
Seems like all your tickets are closed out as well. No? They don't. Oh, I see. All right, Ms. Gayton Robinson, this is the city of Detroit. Versus Michael Anthony Gardner. Case numbers SP 105-67401, SP 107-9120, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 109-5168, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 127-20791, SP 1344799, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 1504887, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1512239, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Mr. Gardner here. Mr. Gardner.
State your name, please. Mr. Gardner, state your name for the record, please.
Michael Anthony Gardner.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have the offer sheet, Ms. Gayton Robinson?
I do not have it in front of me, Your Honor. I can try to pull it up. Can you, Mr. Gardner's offer for now, though?
I'm going to read the offer into the record anyway. Offer is failure to display, $240 fine. Another count, failure to display, $240 fine. Both of those will abstract to the Secretary of State. However, they won't carry any points. Open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, $240 fine. It will abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it won't carry any points. And another open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger, 2 points at $240. So I count 1, 2, 3, 4 misdemeanors pleading to and dismissing the rest. He has an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room to discuss it with him and let us know what you want to do when you come out.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're going back to the same breakout room I was in with the last person. Is that my room today, 3?
3, yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
In the room, Mr. Gardner. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. Here we are. Let's also call into the record SP 155-35352. So that was one that's a no insurance proof civil infraction. So it's instead of 1 civil infraction, it was 2 civil infractions. 1 failure to yield right away that the city would say 1 to 5 limited access, $125. Failure to display, $240. And then what do you want to do, Ms. Mason, with this no insurance? What's the offer on that?
Excuse me, Your Honor, I have the paperwork for the insurance up to date.
Let's see what the paperwork says. In the meantime, what does your client want to do, Mr. Berry? Mr. Berry, you're on mute.
Apologies, Your Honor. we're concerned about what's preventing him from getting a license.
Run the driver's license, please. It's passed until we get the driver's license pulled up. And you got the documentation, Mr. Long?
Yes.
Let's see what you have as far as that. Do you have a background on? You gotta turn your background off. Can't see it with the background on.
Yeah, I do this.
All right, so we'll pass it until we get the driver's license. You just turn the background off and have the document ready, all right? When you get, we're not gonna call it. Let's go on. Let's go to the city of Detroit versus Amanda Shanice Liggins, case number U69602-524. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Liggins.
Amanda Liggins.
All right. Operating an illegal occupation with intent to commit illegal activity, whatever that is. That's what the ticket says, Mr. Berry. Ms. Liggins, you have what I will say, the offer. Let's read the offer into the record for Liggins. We'll dismiss upon payment of $240, and you have an absolute right to a trial. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry to come speak to you, okay?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right. Let's go back on the record. Oh, the license is revoked. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Long. License revoked.
Could we look at his insurance document?
Yeah, I thought you wanted to find out what was revoking it.
Oh, yes, I do, indeed.
Looks like Virginia ticket.
Good morning, Judge. This is Melita Barrett. Could I check in on Brianna Long?
Yes, Ms. Barrett, good morning, please. Mr. Long, you have so many things going on here with this driver's license. I have to study it to find out what ultimate thing, but Virginia seems like one of them. Have you ever had a license? Have you ever had a license, Mr. Long?
You muted, Mr. Long.
Okay. No, I never had a license, Your Honor.
Yeah, you're gonna just, well, the license status is revoked. I think that should be okay. It's just too much. I would say you have to go to the Secretary of State. I can give you a chance to go to the Secretary of State and see. They should give you a printout. If you take this deal with a license revoked, if it's an abstract ticket, then I'm sure it's going to further exacerbate that. If it's and I don't know how that would relate to whatever's going on in Virginia either.
Yes.
So there's a lot of things going on that we'll dismiss the no insurance.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Okay. No, I was just gonna say that I came to court late, and the no insurance and the failure to yield, they gave me default. They gave me a court date, but I didn't realize they gave me a default.
We're setting the defaults aside, and we're gonna. What's the deal? What's your client want to do, Mr. Berry, about these other two tickets? The license improper and the failure to yield.
Your Honor, my client needs an attorney, and we should set these matters for trial.
Okay, is that what you want to do, Mr. Long?
Yes.
All right, I'll still dismiss the, what's your phone number, please?
865-352-4131.
865-352-4131. 865-352-4131. I'm not going to file need an appointed attorney. I'm going to set a trial date for August the 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. If you don't hear from someone within the next 2 weeks, then I would want you to get back in touch with the court, and we can get an attorney appointed to you on the spot. I'd also go to the Secretary of State and get that printout to see what's going on, what they say. That would help assist your attorney, I'm sure. And you come on back on August the 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. and we'll deal with the matters on that day. All right.
Good. Thank you.
All right. If nothing further, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Bye.
All right. Long, Brianna Long. I don't see Long on the docket.
Judge, for Brianna Long, I need to speak to the state prosecutor because the city prosecutor said it's not her case. But I know there was a plea offer. I don't know if you still have a plea offer in the file for the delayed sentence. If you do, she wants to accept it and I don't have to talk to the state.
This doesn't come up till next month, June the 20th.
We both had today because she's on.
I know, I have here June the 20th.
Oh, well, is that, I guess the question is the plea in the file or it's not?
We'll just plead as charged to the marijuana in the vehicle and dismiss the improper lane use and dismiss upon $240 payment.
Okay, well, that's the delayed sentence, because that's what she wanted to do.
Can we get the final this now? This is the city of Detroit. This is the state of Michigan versus Brianna Love Long. Case number SP 152047761. SP 152047771. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Melita Baird on behalf of Brianna Long.
The P number, please, counsel.
43238, and consent to be on Zoom.
All right, Ms. Long, can you state your name for the record, please?
Brianna Long.
All right, today is we'll call today the date and time set for a pre-trial. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Long? Take the deal. I'll dismiss $240 you plead as charged. I'll dismiss upon payment.
Yes.
All right, Ms. Baird, can you go in the breakout room and read your client her advice of rights, please?
Okay. Which?
Join the room, please. Mr. Berry, did you go in the room and speak with Ms. Liggins?
I did not, Your Honor. I will do so.
She's there waiting. That's the operating illegal occupation ticket. $240 fine, dismissed upon payment, absolute right to a trial. All right, let's call the city of Detroit versus Tina Louise Latham, case number SP1.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I don't know if you wanted to put Mr. Gardner, he's just getting a trial date on the record, get him out of here.
Thank you. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Anthony Gardner. Mr. Gardner, you spoke to the attorney, your client. It says you need an appointed counsel. Did you ever get a counsel appointed to you?
No, Your Honor. I thought the last time I was here and I was in court, I thought that was my attorney or my counsel, but I'm not sure.
Let's get him one appointed on the spot, please. I don't know what's going on or why they're not, unless they're just the phone. He has an email address here, and he has. Have you checked your email? Has the attorney reached out to you, or do you know? Check your junk mail. Can we get an appointment on the spot, please? Let's pass it for to get an appointment on the spot, so we don't have this date for issue a trial. Yeah, no, I don't think we need it necessarily. All right, let's go. We'll pass the matter again. We're going to get an attorney right now for you, Mr. Gardner. City of Detroit versus Tina Louise Latham, case number SP 1568921, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1568922, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Miss Gaten,
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Latham.
Ms. Latham, state your name for the record, please. Ms. Latham, can you unmute yourself, state your name for the record, please?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes, Tina Louise Latham.
Good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. The hearing, the offer as it's written right now, Ms. Latham, is no offer on the improper plates. I'll dismiss upon $240 fine. That does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. No offer on the cell phone, driving on cell phone, $100 fine, and amending the failure to use a turn signal or to a 1 to 5 limited access, 0 points, but it does abstract to the Secretary of State. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Latham. Let me put you in a breakout room with Ms. Gaten Robinson, have a conversation with her. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go past that matter Let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Ms. Long, have you read your client to her advice and rights, Ms. Barrett?
Judge, were you calling me?
Yes, have you read your client to her advice or rights?
Yes, Judge, we're ready to proceed.
All right, can you raise your right hand, ma'am? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Barrett went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
Do you know by taking this deal, you're going to give up those rights?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to November the 8th, 2023 at around 6:08 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Connor and Warren. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in Connor with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
And what were you doing?
Smoking.
Smoking what, ma'am?
Marijuana.
All right. Fine. You satisfied, counselor?
Yes, Judge.
I'm satisfied. I find your client guilty as charged. $240 fine. I'll dismiss upon payment. Dismiss the other matter now.
Judge, that's delayed sentence. That's what the.
That's basically the delay is whenever she pays it, it'll go away. Got a review. When can you pay it, Ms. Long?
I'm not really sure. I don't really want to give you an exact day or.
Well, you're gonna have to give me an exact date or I'm gonna give you one.
You can give me one, that's fine.
All right, 2 weeks, pay it June the 3rd,
Okay.
2024. Come on back June the 3rd at 8:25. If it's paid, I will close the matter out, dismiss the case. If it's not paid, we have another discussion. All right, Ms. Long?
Do I have to come back on Zoom?
If it's paid, you don't. But if it's not, I'm gonna need to see you. So you have to make sure that either it's paid or if you come back, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told that you can upload that DivDat app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, ma'am. They'll go through instantly. And if you pay it one of those two ways, then I'm confident that it will show up then I'll see that and I'll dismiss the case even if you're not here.
Okay, so I paid it before 2 weeks and I don't have to come back to court, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
All right, something further. Best of luck. Have a very good day.
All right, thank you too. Bye-bye.
It's the city of Detroit versus Ariana Lovelace, case number SP 1560935, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1563956, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Just Mr. Berry has someone. Go ahead and put your appearance on the record. We'll read Ms. Lovelace the offer.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lovelace.
Oh, I'm sorry, Ariana Lovelace.
Today is, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial, but not all the tickets are on the docket for the day. So we'll give, you're gonna need to get an updated offer as well. I have a no insurance misdemeanor and an expired plate.
I have my insurance now and
Just a moment, just a moment.
Oh, okay.
Let me just give you the allegations, all right? And then we'll check your documentation, but he's gonna need to get an updated offer. Is it 21 to 25 over the speed limit? It's another no insurance civil infraction and an expired plate. I mean, let me see. I don't understand. It looks like these all rose out of the same stop. Let me see. 3/21/2024, 11:36 a.m. Oh, 3/7/2024. So basically, it's two different stops. It's two different stops. Okay, so that's what we. Now you indicated you were about to indicate you had what, Ms. Lovelace?
I went to the Secretary of State and I was able to receive a new license plate, and I have car insurance.
All right. So get Ms. Lovelace an offer if she has if the license and the insurance are valid, then we're really just talking about the 21 to 25 over, Mr. Berry. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Wait on Mr. Berry to come out, and then he'll come in and speak with you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, let's go past that matter. Let's go back on the record with Liggins. Mr. Berry, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Liggins in the breakout room. What's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client needs will have this matter set for trial. She needs the appointed counsel.
Is that what you want, Ms. Liggins?
Yes, sir.
All right. What is your phone number, please?
Area code 586-238-5981.
You've heard it. Trial date is going to be on August the 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. I need you to answer the calls you may not recognize. One of those calls will hopefully be that appointed counsel. If you don't hear from that counsel in the next couple of weeks, don't wait until the date of the 23rd. Get back in touch with the court. We'll get one appointed to you on the spot, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's no further questions, ma'am, have a very good day and best of luck to you.
Thank you. You as well.
All right, what about Gardner? Did we get an attorney appointed for her?
Dennis White is gonna come in person.
In person. All right, very good.
He's in the building.
All right.
Ms. Mason, could we meet in 4?
All right, let's call, we'll wait.
Hello?
Hello, what's your name, please, sir? 601-641-0239.
My name is Kenneth Garner. I'm on the audio, but I'm also on Zoom where my picture is showing up. I have 2 phones with me.
Where are you on the audio Zoom?
A moment before we go to the next case.
Pardon me?
Which one are you on with the picture, with your picture?
I'm on the 312-538-7120 number. I have on some glasses. I'm not quite sure if I know how it works. That's the reason I called you on my other phone.
I don't see you on there. I don't see you on there. Gardner Kenneth?
Yes, sir.
All right. And I don't see him on the docket either.
I have
No, on the docket saying that you're supposed to be here today. Give me your
yes.
How do you spell your last name?
G as in good, ARNER.
And then your first name.
Kenneth, KENNITH. It may be spelled ETH. A lot of people make a mistake.
What's your date of birth?
11/22/1968.
8:30. Oh, okay. Yeah. I have you. On the telephone at 313-917-5993. Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
Renika Green.
Green.
My name is. Oh.
You already spoke, Mr. Gardner.
All right. I'm sorry. I apologize.
Gardner. Green. Rendika.
Yes.
Did I pronounce it right?
It's okay, Renika.
No, it's not. Tell me how to pronounce it.
It's Renika.
Renika, okay. I'm sorry for the mispronunciation.
Okay.
Any other officers here that I haven't spoken, that haven't acknowledged yet? Because the window has closed for officers. All right. And on the iPhone, you're sitting there with your hand on your shoulder, your hand on you're laying there, I think.
No.
Good morning. What's your name, ma'am?
Good morning, Makita Lance.
Lance? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good morning to you. Bostic. Is Bostic still in here?
I was here, but I was under the wrong name. So Miss Bostic was never in court. I was just under the wrong name.
Oh, that was you?
Yeah.
Good morning. All right, good morning. All right. Mr. Berry?
Back here.
No, I'm trying to get with Miss Mason.
Ms. Mason, can you join breakout room 4, please? And we're waiting on, all right, let's go back on the record with Latham. I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel, Ms. Latham. What does your client want to do, Ms. Hayden Robinson?
Your Honor, Ms. Latham is requesting a trial date. She's seeking some information from the Secretary of State for the court. She, in fact, paid for 2 years registration on her car, and somehow there was a error in entering it at the Secretary of State, and so they are trying to resolve that. She wants to bring that documentation back to address her tickets. So she'd like an opportunity to set this for a trial date.
All right, this is what you want to do, Ms. Latham? Yes. All right, the trial date will be October 26th at 9 a.m. October 26th at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Sir, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
The city of Detroit. City of Detroit versus Daryl Lyons, case number U68776324. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Lyons.
All right, Mr. Lyons, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please, and state your name for the record? Thank you, sir. Mr. Lyons, can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please? All right, let's move on.
Hello.
Mr. Lyons, can you state good morning? Can you state your name for the record, please?
That's Daryl Lyons.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer is disorderly conduct. That's as it's written now, disorderly conduct, $240 fine, and HIV/STD testing. The results will be private to you, and a misdemeanor morality class. Put you in a breakout room and speak to Ms. Gaten Robinson. You have an absolute right to a trial. All right, Mr. Lyons?
Okay.
Join the room, Ms. Robinson. He's in there.
Your Honor, for my own personal edification, in your room, do defendants have to be visible to take a plea?
I would like them to, especially on the first time, but sometimes people are not able to, for some reason or other, join in. So see, Mr. Lyons, can we would like to see.
Okay, I just want to make sure, because some judges won't allow anything to move forward if they can't see the defendant.
Yeah, that's I mean, that's how it really should be. So yeah, tell them we gotta zoom in. All right, pass the matter. I have a copy of the ticket. All right. Miss Mason, did you go to breakout room 4 and speak with Mr. Berry?
Judge, I'm on Judge Garrett's courtroom right now. I'm talking to Judge Garrett right now. I'm sorry, Your Honor. Judge, Attorney Berry left the courtroom. I needed to.
Well, I put him back. I brought him back in because you said can you go in there now?
Yes, sir.
All right, go in there, Mr. Berry, return back to there and speak with on Lovelace's behalf. Breakout room 4, please. Mr. Berry, Miss Mason, breakout room 4, please. All right. Miss Alverson.
Yes.
Did I get that pronunciation correct?
Overson.
Overson, I'm sorry. Do you have valid insurance?
Yes, I do.
All right, make sure you bring, let me see the documentation. Let's see it now.
Okay.
All right, I'm satisfied with that. So that's gonna be dismissed. I'm gonna, you're still gonna have opportunity to speak.
Your Honor,
Yes.
who are we on? Is this on the record?
No, it's not on the record. I just want to see it while they're doing their thing. Overson, your offer, they limited access 1 to 5. It's going to abstract to the Secretary of State, but it won't carry the points. $125. So that's going to be your deal. I'll let you speak to the lawyer if you need to.
Okay.
No. Gardner is the one white.
Okay, I'll make sure.
Hello?
Yeah, hold on a second, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know, we're waiting on the Ms. Gooden,
Johnny.
do you know you have a warrant out for your arrest?
No.
Old 2008 case.
Yeah, my lawyer years ago was supposed to handle that situation because that's not me. Like this case I'm dealing with right now, it's not me. It's somebody who has my same name. I don't even live in Detroit.
All right. Maybe it may not. It's coming up as you.
Yeah, because when I got arrested here, that person who had a warrant in Detroit, they put my name towards it and it wasn't me. That's why Detroit never came to pick me up when I was locked up for the incident.
Well, I don't even see an attorney who you can, I mean, a judge that you would go see for that. You're gonna have to probably get a lawyer to come take care of that for you. Du Bois is Officer Du Bois here. We can call this one. This is the city of Detroit versus, did I print that out? Nicole Cherie Gooden, case number SP 1416841, State your name for the record, please.
Nicole Cherie Gooden.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer Dubois, D-O-B-I-S, Joel Dubois? Hearing no response and have not seen that officer join the breakout room. You haven't had contact with that officer, have you, Ms. Mason? I'm gonna dismiss the case on the court's own motion. All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, you probably need to take care of that because that's a serious allegation. I don't know. I can't give you a judge who to send you to because that's not in the doesn't have a judge assigned to it. So you may have to walk yourself in or get an attorney to handle the matter for you. All right.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You too. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I think we can get Avery Love.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Said anybody here for Avery Love?
Yeah, this is Judge.
Okay. Any officers here for Avery Love? This is the city of Detroit versus Avery Demond Love, case number SP 106-07601, U66133-523, 18482579, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Love.
Avery Demond Love.
Your Honor.
Yes, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an officer Blessing, Officer OPEC, Officer Shakur? Hearing no response, have not seen that any of those officers join the room. Go ahead, Counselor.
The motion is for dismissal, Your Honor. There being no officers to testify.
All right, I'm going to grant the motion to dismiss. I'm going to waive the warrant fees. However, you're going to be responsible to pay reinstatement fees. I see 1, 2, 4 reinstatement fees of $45, sir. If there's nothing further, you have a very good day and best of luck to you. All right.
Yes. Can I ask one question, please?
Right.
The reinstatement fees are for
missing the court dates years ago.
Okay, no problem.
All right. All right. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Lovelace. Giving you an opportunity, Ms. Lovelace, to speak to Mr. Berry. What's your client want to do, Mr. Berry?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the updated offer of 1 to 5 miles over.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lovelace?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, Counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate to probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5. That's a 1-point offense, $125. When can you pay, Ms. Lovelace?
So, Your Honor, I'm currently in nursing school, so I'm not really working. So I know he said I can get up to 30 days. So whatever is the max, I can receive.
And you get it in 30 days?
I can try. I can ask my family.
I think you have somebody to get you $125.
Yeah, I can ask around.
Whose new car is that you're in?
This is mine. I had to come get my registration out the car.
Yeah, you are nice new vehicle. Pay by, give you 30 days. You say you're a student, I find good cause and give you 30 days. Pay by June the 20th, 2024.
Okay.
And I wish you the best of luck in that nursing career. I have a lot of respect for nurses. My mom was ill for months, and she just had some awesome nurses that she wouldn't have lived as long as she did if it wasn't for. It is a very, very, very hard, demanding job. But I wish you the best of luck, and I hope you get through it, and you're successful.
Thank you. I graduate August 1st.
Oh, you're already through it. It's almost done. All right, then.
Thank you. You said June 20th was correct?
June 20th.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Have a good day, ma'am, and best of luck to you, and good luck on that career, all right?
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right. Let's get Mr. Miko Love. Is that Miko Curie Love? Did I pronounce that right?
Miko Pierre Love.
Pierre Love, I'm sorry. This is the city of Detroit versus Miko Pierre Love, case number B124844124. Appearance for the record, please.
Miko Pierre Love.
Over to S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Love, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time set for a today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. This is something about some kind of structure or something. Do you have any documentation saying you're in compliance, sir?
Let me see. You got some paper?
Why don't you speak with the lawyer? There's no offer on the case. It'd be a $240 fine. It's just whether it will be delayed sentence or not. Let me put you in a breakout room, Mr. Love. Speak with Mr. Berry about it and let us know what you want to do. Keep in mind, you always have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Join the room, please.
Your Honor, as to the charge,
it's untimely manner of I guess repairing a structure, or let's see. Refixing a structure in an untimely manner.
Okay.
First time I've seen it.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'll read it to you as it says on the ROA. Failed to correct code violation in a timely manner. And it says failure to correct code violation to secure permits and demolish, replace unsafe or repair or I don't know, unsafe structure. It's for real property at 8435 Westwood Street. All right, go ahead, speak to Mr. Love.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let's go back on let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garner.
That's it.
Who were you speaking with, Miss Gaten Robinson?
You talking to Mr. Garner, Your Honor?
I don't know. Did you talk to Attorney Gaten Robinson?
No, I have not. I have not talked to anyone. If you talk to Mr. Garner.
Okay, then I'm not talking to you yet then, sir.
I'm sorry.
Limit, we can get limit out of here. Device is interfering. Garner?
Yes,
Are
sir.
you on 2 devices?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, I'm gonna take you off of the telephone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. I'll hang it up. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning. All right, let's get limit out of here. This is not gonna be as easy as I thought it was. So let's wait. All right, let's go. Miss Gaten Robinson, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I am here. Mr. Lyons was trying to log in with video capability.
Okay, all right, let's move on to Griggs, Stacy Griggs, City of Detroit versus Stacy Lynn Griggs, case numbers SP 1581998, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 145, strike that, SP 456811, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 1734604991. Appearance for the record, please.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Griggs.
Ms. Griggs, can you state your name for the record, please? Where's Ms. Griggs? Have to unmute yourself and start your camera, please.
Okay, can you hear me?
I can. Good morning, Tina.
Good morning, Stacy Griggs.
All right, this today is date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, counselor.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, I didn't hear what you.
Arraignment on the bench warrant.
Your Honor, we're asking that the warrant be set aside as Ms. Griggs is present before the court.
I'm gonna hold on, Ms. Owens. I'm gonna mute you because you got a lot of background noise. I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on Ms. Griggs' behalf. Give her a $0 bond. The only thing is she needs an updated offer. As it stands right now, it's two tickets that are not on the docket. But the offer for the ones that are on the docket, improper plate, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, no abstraction, and a failure to display, $240 fine. That won't be dismissed, that will abstract, but it won't carry any points. And then she has an expired plate and a no insurance. Why don't you get an updated offer from Ms. Mason? And then Ms. Griggs, keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Judge, those charges will be dismissed, the expired plates and the no insurance, the extras.
240. 240 is will dismiss upon payment, won't carry any points, no abstraction. The other 240 won't carry any points, but it will abstract, and she has an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, Ms. Griggs, and speak with Ms. Gaten Robinson, and let us know what you want.
When I say shut up.
Okay. All right. Pass the matter. Let's go back on the matter on the record with love. Mr. Love, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're going to have to set this matter for a bench trial date. The actual defendant is his son. He does not own this property. So,
All right. And do we have that? Yeah, it's listed as 63. Okay, so that's what you want to do. Trial date is going to be August the 27th, 2024, Mr. Love, at 9 a.m. All right.
Yes, sir. There's no way we can handle this today.
No way we can handle it today, unless you plead guilty to it.
No.
And if we can't handle it today now because you said that it's not you, so I wouldn't even take a plea.
My son has the same name, but he's the second.
I got you. I mean, what you're gonna have to do is bring some documentation in. Well, you don't have to do anything because they have the obligation of proving it's you. But I would bring in some documentation to assist your lawyer in your defense. That's what you should do.
I have my son with me, but all the documentation is still in my name.
Well, if it's in your name, then it's you. All right. So I mean, that's all it is to it.
No, they wrote it. They didn't put it in the second or whatever. They put it in my name. I don't know why.
I know. Well, I'm talking about the documentation to the property. Just come back on. Yeah, bring whatever kind of documentation you have to say it's not you.
Right. I just brought my son.
August 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
So is that for trial, judge, or for a pretrial?
Trial.
Okay.
Trial.
So with my son being with me, that won't help or not?
I don't know. I don't know. Obviously, they think it's your property, so they have to prove that it's your property. Now, whether they can do that or not, I don't know. And whether your son wants to take the rap for it, whether they agree to that, I don't know. All I know is that I would bring whatever information that you have to help defend yourself.
And I can bring my son. He know all about it. I don't.
Okay.
Will he be able to talk?
It should work itself out on the 27th of August.
Yes, sir.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. I guess it's in the mail, right?
You should get something in the mail, but I wouldn't rely on something in the mail. You know that the day is the 27th of August. I'm giving you that date right now.
So that's the same.
Do you live at Orchard? Do you live in Orchard Lake, Michigan still?
Yes, sir.
So you should get something in the mail, but I would write the date down. I'm giving you the date right now.
And just come back on this Zoom, right?
Let's come back on the Zoom.
August 27th.
You got any more questions, Mr. Love?
No, sir. I'm just trying to be
I
clear.
want to try to make sure you understand that I'm answering all your questions.
I appreciate it. I'm just missing work. This is my second time. Now I got to miss work again the third time.
Well, you don't have to miss work. I will work around work. If you can zoom in for a few minutes, I'll work around your work.
Okay. Appreciate it.
All right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right.
Did we call the city of Detroit versus Riche, Charnay, Overson? Case number SP 1567511, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Free J. Overson.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Overson.
Free J. Charnay Overson.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. She provided valid documentation for the insurance, so I'll dismiss that case. The offer as it stands right now is I think a limited access 1 to 5. That's $125. It does abstract to the Secretary of State. However, it does not carry any points. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Overson. Let me put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, have a conversation with them. Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please.
Okay.
Is she smoking on Zoom?
Who?
Sabrina Owens.
Are you smoking, Miss Owens? In the building too? Are you smoking a cigarette, ma'am?
No, I was. I put it out, sir. Sorry, Judge. I'm sorry.
And you're in a building too? Oh, maybe, I hope it's your own
No,
house.
sir, I'm at work. I came outside so I can hear y'all.
You went outside so you can smoke. All right. Mr.
We're ready on
Gardner?
this.
Okay, Mr. Gardner,
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
we're waiting on Attorney Whitey to show up, and he's coming in person, all right? So sit tight for a minute.
Okay,
Go ahead.
thank you.
Go ahead. Well, who are we waiting on, Mr. Barry, you said?
We're ready on Miss Lovelace.
Lovelace, Lovelace is still here? I thought Lovelace was gone.
Oh, all right, that's fine.
Go in the breakout room with Overson.
Yes.
Mr. Lyons, there's no way you can zoom in?
I'm trying to get it, and I'm trying to get it in here. Mine keep blanking out.
All right, well, you're gonna have to get it before we get you out of here, all right?
Yes, I'm working on it.
Are you gonna set a trial date, or are you gonna take a deal?
I'm taking a deal.
If you set a trial date, then I can let you come back on the 27th of August and you can have it together by then.
Well, I'm trying. Can I try to use another phone? I'm trying to see.
You can do whatever you need to do to get on there. But if you want
Yes,
to try,
I'm trying.
the trial date, you don't have to. You can figure it out later.
And you said that will be August?
The 27th.
Oh, August 27th. I guess I'm just trying to. I don't know why my phone acting up.
That's one. I can give you a chance. August 27th. You have a lot of time to figure it out if you want.
Yeah. Can I get one more? Let me see here. Okay, I guess so what I will have to come back on Zoom?
Yeah, either in person or on Zoom.
Okay, August 27th.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Darrell Lyons. I'm gonna give Mr. Lyons a trial date, August 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. You have to either be here in person or on Zoom on that date, all right?
Yes, sir.
August 27th, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
As my aunt used to say, we're cooking with gas. We'll get you guys out of here real soon.
Excuse me, Your Honor, did Renee Diaka Green check in?
Yes, she did.
Okay.
Is there an officer here for her?
Yeah, both Officer Morgan is here and Officer Nelson's here. Both of them are here.
Do we have an offer?
Yeah, the officer's what's on the docket sheet.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Overson. Ms. Overson, I'm giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would avail herself of the offer.
That's limited access, I said, 1 to 5?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate to the, is that what you want to do, Ms. Overson?
Yes, sir.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter?
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it, ma'am?
I need like 2 weeks to pay.
I'll give you 2 weeks. We'll pay it by June the 3rd, 2024. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. If you don't have anything further, ma'am, best of luck to you. Have a very good day, all right?
Thank you. You as well.
All right. City of Detroit, I hope I don't mess it up, Mrs. Green. City of Detroit versus Renitka Green. Give me the correct pronunciation. I messed it up.
Renitka.
Renitka, I'm sorry. This is the City of Detroit versus Renitka Green. Case number is SP 1365211, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1439058, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1545969, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Green.
Renitka Ikaya Green.
Today is the date and time set for a trial. I have Officer Morgan and Officer Nelson here. So the offer, actually there was, three cases that aren't on the docket that we'll get some resolution today. 2 of the cases should have been on the docket. There's a failure to use due care and caution and expired plate. And then there's another expired plate and no valid registration. Why don't you get Ms. Green an updated offer for those, and then let us know what you want to do, Ms. Green, when you get that offer. So as it stands now, the offer is pleading to failure to display 1 count and an expired plate. That's $240 fine plus $145 fine.
Judge, the count off the record, the failure to use due care and caution, this is the city prosecutor, there'll be a 1 to 5, 1 point. The other one dismissed.
All right, so and a 1 to 5 on a failure to use due care and caution, $125. So $240 for the failure to display. If you don't have a valid driver's license on Ms. Green, taking this deal is gonna probably not permit you to get a license for 2 more years. 1 to 5 on the failure to use due care and caution amended count, that's 1 point, $125. A failure to display, $240. That will abstract, but it won't carry any points. And then the expired plate's $145. That won't abstract. We'll close that all upon payment. All right, trial date is today. Officer Nelson, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Officer Brian Nelson, badge 3664.
All right, and can you go get your colleague out, Officer Tonti? All right, join the breakout room, Ms. Green, and have a conversation with Mr. Berry. and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
Okay, Your Honor,
She's in there, Mr. Berry. She wanted to say something, but I'll put her in there first. Go ahead, speak to her, please. Officer Tanti, good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Green?
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Tanti, badge 3496.
All right, good morning to you. All right, let's pass the matter until she has an opportunity to speak with her lawyer.
Going to the restroom.
What's your name, Al?
Makita Lance.
All right.
Okay.
We ready?
Your Honor, I need Ms. Green's license check, please.
Can we run Ms. Green's license, please? Yes. All right, while we're waiting on that, why don't we call, well, we have it. Her license is valid.
Terrific.
All right.
Then if I could speak to Ms.
Go
Mason.
ahead, speak with Ms. Mason in the breakout room, number 4, please.
Thank you.
Oh, she's gone. No, she's not. All right, go to breakout room 4, please.
What are you doing on the park?
Good morning, ma'am. What is your name, please? I just asked you to unmute yourself and turn your audio or your video on. Hello? Anyal.
Hello,
Good morning. What's your name?
Anya Lewis. I was trying to get my,
You had it on earlier.
did I? Okay, I couldn't see it, but it didn't come on for me. Let's see.
I just need you to get your name first.
Let me see. Anya Lewis.
All right, good morning to you. Hold on. Give me a minute, Ms. Lewis.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm sorry. I hope I'm not interrupting. Am I?
No.
So for Miss Griggs, these last two tickets that you said that she has, are these the tickets that were set for a June date? Because our holdup is she doesn't know where these extra two tickets came from.
They're set for, due date was set at May 28th. She's supposed to have them paid by then. These tickets arose on an allegation made May 9th, 2024 at 8:34 in the area of Outer Drive and West McNichols.
So they just happened in May. Does she have a June court date for them?
No, these are civil infractions. No court date, I don't believe, was set. There's an expired plate and no insurance. Both of them on the same date, Officer Dubois and Officer Plohm Ethan. Expired plates, they say she was operating a 2011 Chrysler on that date. Okay, she seems to think she has a June date for that. Okay, so I'll make sure she's aware that these additional two tickets are the ones she got in May. That's where the holdup is. She just cannot reconcile where the other two tickets are because the paperwork she has only has 4 tickets on it. I get it. I'll explain it. Very well.
Thank you. Your Honor, we are already on Miss Griggs. She is going to accept the offer.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Griggs. Ms. Griggs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what was the offer?
The offer is 1 count of improper plate and 1 count of failure to display, and the other 4 matters will all be dismissed.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Griggs?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Do you have a valid license now, Ms. Griggs?
Yes.
All right, let's bring her license up. Ms. Griggs, let's bring Stacy Griggs' license, please. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Gaten Robinson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
These tickets go all the way back to 2015 and 2017. I have a valid license for Ms. Griggs. What about valid registration and insurance, ma'am?
I don't have the car no more.
Do you have any car in your name?
I just signed the title over because when I just got pulled over because I can't get insurance on my car because of my child. So I just got rid of the car.
So at least these tickets go back to 2015, Ms. Robinson. What do you want to do? Do you want that? She has a valid license.
Your Honor, if the court would consider dismissing the license matter for valid documentation, we would greatly appreciate that.
Yeah, I was asking, I was gonna do that. I was asking, do you want a trial date or do you want to see if the city, I mean, what is the city's policy on tickets going back? This is 9 years.
Well, Your Honor, a big part of the, to my understanding, the waiver for age is determined by the number of capias. So I would have to know her capias history on these matters.
I'm just asking.
Your Honor, and just for the record, she did pay several civil infractions, and that is a part of the reason why she thought these matters were resolved, because she did pay a substantial number of civil infractions a few years ago. Is that correct, Ms. Griggs?
Yes.
If Ms. Mason is available, I'll talk to her really quickly in a break room.
Ms. Mason, are you there?
I'm going to a conference with Judge Taylor right this moment. I just one delay, just 1 minute.
I want to know what the policy is on tickets 9 years or older. 7 years or older. This is we gotta get some this is holding the whole board up here. They need to get some more help in the city law department.
Your Honor, if there's someone else that we can move on and we wait for Ms. Mason to try to have a better resolve for Ms. Griggs, I'm available to do that.
All right. Let's go. Hold on, Ms. Griggs, okay?
Okay.
Let's go to the city of Detroit versus Kenneth. She knows when she's winning, huh? This is the city of Detroit versus Kenneth Garner, case number U47309218. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Ms. Gaten Robinson on behalf of Mr. Garner.
All right, state your name for the record, Mr. Garner.
My name is Kenneth Garner, Kennith.
It's Kenneth here. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Councilman.
With regards to the bench warrant, we are asking that matter be set to as my client is present before the court.
All right, I'll enter a not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. This matter goes back to.
I was in Chicago at the time of this incident. I got in touch.
Mr. Garner, you got to give me a minute to be the lawyer, sir. You will not just start randomly talking on the record because this is a recorded record, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, ma'am.
You're going to have an opportunity to talk to me in private, and I promise you I will articulate your concerns.
All right. Thank you.
All right, this is a pleading as charged, $240 fine, but as a marijuana violation of Marijuana Act back in 2018. I don't think that they're even proceeding on these, but speak to Mr. Garner in the breakout room, and go ahead. Unmute yourself, Ms. Mason, please. Ms. Mason?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the policy on the marijuana, possession of marijuana, found in possession, and it is a 2018 ticket?
Oh, that's old. We can chuck it.
All right, dismiss.
Your Honor, I don't argue with dismissals ever. I have nothing.
All right, ticket. Waive the warrant fee. You're going to be responsible to pay the reinstatement fee.
Your Honor, like it wasn't, for one, it wasn't me. I moved to Chicago in 2017. I talked to a police officer, got in touch with me, and I thought the situation had been settled. I have CDLs. I just found out that was stopping me from moving on in my career. I've been driving trucks since 1993. I moved back to Chicago because child support had suspended my license while I took a hiatus. And while I was there getting that together, like I said, I think a police officer or attorney or someone got in touch with me and let me know about the situation. And I thought it was taken care of. I just found out that it's been hanging over my head. I live in Mississippi now.
You just had to get all that out, right?
I'm sorry, Jan. I don't no disrespect. I'm not familiar.
I didn't say you disrespected. I just said you had to get all that out. Because before you said all that, I said case was dismissed. Waiving the warrant fee, you owe a $45 reinstatement fee.
$45?
That's it.
How can I pay that?
Pay it in any DivDac kiosk, pay it online, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. And there should be a phone number you can pay it at as well.
They take Western Union because I don't do pay apps. Nothing. I don't.
I don't know about Western Union, and those days are probably long gone for the court.
So, Mr. Garner.
Yes, ma'am.
Listen, sir, you the one need your license, right? And we're trying to help you.
I'm gonna work it out.
Don't mail the court anything. Get one.
Hold on a second. He wants to pay Western Union. It's gonna cost him, Miss Gayton Robinson. It's gonna cost him triple the amount, probably Western Union than it is. You go ahead.
To have his niece or nephew go online and do it for him. Mr. Garner, somebody close to you that you trust needs to go to the 36th district website, and they need to help you navigate making this $45 payment with whatever minimal processing fee that is going to be cheaper than Western Union. You will then be able to screenshot or print the screen as your receipt, and so that your license can be reinstated or you can get back to work. Nobody has time for you to send to mail a money order or a check up to the 36th district court, and you're going to wait a substantial amount of time for it to be processed. You're going to have to get over that app thing, and you're going to have somebody you trust pay it online unless you want to come up here from Mississippi.
Yeah, I will work it out. Thank you all so much.
Okay.
All right, let's have a great day, Mr. Garner. Be safe out there on the road.
Hey, thank you. Thank you all so much.
All right, you're welcome. Let's go back on the record with Griggs. Miss Mason, are you there? Get on with this.
Ready as to Ms. Green, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Griggs. Ms. Mason, I have Ms. Griggs here. She has three 2015 cases and a 2017 case. Two of them deal with improper license. She has a valid driver's license. What is the city's policy on age of tickets?
Can be dismissed, Your Honor. They're stale.
All right, so on that, so now we're just down to the expired plates and the no insurance proof, Ms. Briggs. Let's you speak to Ms.
Ms. Mason, I'm asking that you allow Griggs to plead to one count of improper plates on her 2 current tickets. And
wait a minute, Ms. Gaten Robinson. It's only 2 civil infractions now. It's expired plate and no insurance.
So the expired plate would be the best one for her.
All right.
The expired plate.
Objection, Your Honor. I'll dismiss the no insurance.
Expired plate is down to 145. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. It's just a civil infraction, Ms. Griggs. What do you want to do with that ticket?
Pay it.
All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Find your client responsible for the amended count of expired plates. I'm going to waive the warrant fee, and you're going to be responsible, Ms. Griggs, to pay reinstatement fees. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's an additional $45 a piece. You can pay that on your own whenever you can. I'm just concerned about the 145. When can you pay the 145, ma'am?
I get paid on the 31st.
The 31st? All right. Let's have you pay that by June the 3rd. Pay it in any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit, or come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it. You can concern yourself with the $45 whenever you can. All I'm concerned about really is the 145. The 45, I'm just making you aware that they'll still be out there. All right, ma'am?
Okay, so 145, pay 45 4 times.
That's 180, Ms. Griggs. So you got to pay the 145 first, and then you can pay that 180 over time. But don't just drag it out a long period of time. Maybe pay 1 a month if you can, so you can get it out the way, because you don't want it to end up setting you back and putting you in a position where something harms your license.
Okay.
Okay. You work to get it back, so don't lose it again.
Thank you.
All right.
This is the city of Detroit versus Makita Mia Lance. Case numbers SP 1567491, SP 1567487, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 7335531, 16-211-7811, 19-5061, 90, counts 1 and counts 2. 13 SP 13-66423, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1250651, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1250661, SP 1366404, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the please, Ms. Robinson.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Glass?
Ms. Lance.
Lance, I'm sorry, Ms. Lance.
Ms. Lance, can you state your name for the record, please?
Makita Lance.
All right. Good morning to you, ma'am. Today is the date and time set for a, we'll call it, well, let's call it arraignment on the warrants. Counselor. Miss Gaten Robinson. Wait a minute.
As Ms. Lance is present and before the court, Your Honor, we would ask that the warrants be set aside and be entered.
I'm sorry. Ms. Lance, the other cases I call into the record are set for June the 3rd, trial date.
Yes, this is some new tickets.
These are some new tickets.
Yes.
I have a valid license. Do you have valid registration and insurance?
Yes.
Let's see what you have.
Okay.
The license is valid.
Yes. See.
So let's strike all the other cases from the record. Let's just call the SB 1567487 counts 1 and counts 2, and SB 1567491 into the record.
Attorney Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Lance, Your Honor. Ms. Lance, can you say your name, please?
Makita Lance.
All right, you're holding up a document, Ms. Lance. Let me get you on my screen here.
I can see.
There we go. Let's see what you have there. I'm not finding it.
Got it.
Okay. Now that's Kanisha Kia Lance.
Yes, this was my sister's car. So
That this ticket was under. Let's see what you have. Hold it up again. I don't need that.
Oh.
I'm reading that already. Okay, that does look like this vehicle here. All right, and do you have the registration? I mean, the registration for it? All right, I'm going to dismiss the matters to the SP, the matters I call into the record today. SP 1567487 counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1567491. I'm going to dismiss those matters for providing valid documentation. All right, you still need to come back on June the 3rd. Okay.
for this, are we going to do it with my other
that
ticket?
that you were here before on, all right?
I'm sorry, Judge, say it again.
You still need to come back June the 3rd. You have a trial / formal hearing date on those old matters.
Yes, 2 weeks. Yes, I will be back. I will see you then.
Have a great day now. Best of luck to you. Congratulations on the license.
Thank you, Mr. Perkins. I appreciate you.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Let's call the city of Detroit versus Andre Everett Lemon, case number SP 139-7292, counts 1 and counts 2, SP 139-72923, SP 139-73441, SP 139-73461, ST 3462, ST 3471, U62004121, U663420023, 1831755571, 1831755581. Appearance for the record, please. Strike 18-317-5571 from the record. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning to you, Mr. Limit.
Good morning.
I know Mr. Limit. I've represented Mr. Limit before as a defense attorney. So I just want to make sure that the record reflects that. SP, the case that's on the docket today is ST 3462. That was a no proof of insurance ticket, also disregarding a traffic control device. It appears that he paid the disregarding the traffic control device, or that never did make it to the court. Let's see. Let's see what that one. And he paid that. And you signed yourself up for 3 points on your driver's license.
I did.
The other matter, the officer didn't appear. It was all the same. It was all set for formal hearing today. Officer Bruce Lawrence. So talk with Miss Gaten Robinson. The other matters are not on the docket. Ms. Gaten Robinson, if you have an ink pen, I'm going to give you all the matters that I called into the record that are on the docket.
Okay, Your Honor, I am.
You ready?
I am.
All right. Driving while license suspended, repeat offender. No insurance, misdemeanor. Unregistered, untitled, misdemeanor. Improper plates, misdemeanor. Improper display of plates, civil infraction. Those seem like they all came under the same occurrence. Then he has a ST 3471. Let's see what happened with that case. Okay, driver's license repeat offender. Does that go along with this ticket as well? 12.
Is that the second repeat offender, Your Honor? Didn't you say repeat offender for the first one with the first bunch of tickets?
I said a repeat offender for the first bunch of tickets. So that ticket is going to be dismissed. ST 3471 and ST 3462 are going to be dismissed because of no officer. So scratch that second repeat offender. Then you have accosting and soliciting 2 times, and then you have a no ops. And then
today's the trial date, and we have officers on all of the matters you just named.
No, the day is only the trial date set for ST 3462, this formal hearing, and then we're going to add ST 3471 to that. And I don't know what happened and how this other matter that came along with those ST tickets were paid. They probably were paid in error because ST 3461 that I didn't call in the record went along with the ST 3462 and the ST 3471. And that one was the only one that was paid, causing him to have 3 points on his license. It was paid March the 6th, 2024.
Yeah.
Your Honor, is there anything, sir, you gonna let me be the lawyer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Your Honor, is there any way that if that ticket was paid in error, that we can speak with the prosecutor about the potential of setting that matter to the side, or can that payment be considered a bond?
Absolutely. If there's no objection, and if you make the motion and no objection, then we'll do that. So,
Your Honor, for the record, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. I guess I just need some clarity as to what case numbers are going with what, because you've got accosting and soliciting 2 times. What's the case number on that?
U62004121 is accosting and soliciting. U66342023 is soliciting, aiding, abetting.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
So if everybody's understanding all the tickets that we have called into the record, I'm gonna put Mr. Lemon in the breakout room, wait on Ms. Gaten Robinson. Ms. Gaten Robinson, you can go have a conversation with Ms. Mason.
Ms. Mason, who do you want me to meet you in?
Move forward, please.
Okay.
All right, pass the matter, join the room, Mr. Lemon, wait on the lawyer. Okay, Officer Tonti and Officer Green, Officer Nelson, Green is resolved. Isn't Green resolved?
Yes, Your Honor.
Green, are you still here? No, she's not. She is not resolved.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am, sir.
How are you resolved?
She has accepted the offer on expired plates.
Now let's go back on the record. Did we already take the deal?
No.
Apparently not.
Is that the only case that she's pleading to?
Correct, Your Honor.
Now let's go back on the record. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Green, the offer is pleading to the expired plate. Did we do this already or no?
No.
Okay.
Oh, Your Honor.
Offer is pleading to expired plate, $145 fine, and dismissing the other matters.
Yes.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
And I do have a valid driver's license for Ms. Green. All right, $145, I'm gonna find her responsible as charged the expired plate. When can you pay?
I would need about 30 days, Your Honor. I have to pay within 30 days.
How is it 30 days on $145?
I'm sorry. I have to pay within 30 days.
I said, how is it so long on $145?
Because I only have one set income, Your Honor. I'm on disability. And after I pay my rent and my bills, I don't have any more money left. So I'm going to try to see if I can get one of my family members to help me.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 days. You indicated that you're on disability. I think that's a good cause. All right, I'll waive any warrant fees and pay it at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit. Pay it by June the 20th, 2024 to keep that license in good standing. Okay, Ms. Green?
Can you
say that again?
Can you repeat the last part, sir?
Pay it by June 20th, 2024 at any DivDag kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDag app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse in person and pay it. And to keep that license in good standing, okay?
Yes, sir.
And June 20th. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
All right, let's go Owens. Sabrina Owens. Yeah, you can go.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
You as well. City of Detroit versus Sabrina Olivia Owens, case number SB 1568952, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Owens. You have to unmute.
Yes, I'm here.
State your name.
My name is Sabrina Olivia Owens.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. The offer is pleading to the seatbelt ticket, dismissing the insurance ticket, $65. You have an absolute right to a trial. What would you like to do now?
I would like to pay the ticket.
Okay. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor. So stipulated.
Find her responsible for the, as charged to the seatbelt, $65. When can you pay it, Ms. Owens?
I can pay it Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I'm sorry. Next Tuesday.
I'm gonna give you till June the 3rd, all right? June the 3rd.
Okay, Judge, is there any points on my license?
Not for the seatbelt.
Okay.
All right, if it's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat after your phone. The seatbelt ticket app, the seatbelt ticket, does that abstract? I believe that does abstract. Let me see. Because I think they keep seatbelt violation 3290. I think they keep track of that because if you get another one, it escalates. 3290 seatbelt. No abstraction, no. So nothing abstract, no points. All right. So close out.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you. Bye.
All right, you're free to leave.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.
How you come out of here? Oh.
This is the city of Detroit versus Anya Latisse Lewis. Is that, did I get that correct, ma'am? What happened to Ms. Lewis?
How do I leave?
Mr. I'm gonna put you out, Ms. Owens, as long as you know how to pay. All right.
Okay, all right, bye.
All right, Officer Tonti and Officer Nelson, you guys are free to leave. Have a very good day and be safe out there.
Take care, Your Honor.
Thank you. Okay, let's go back on the record with limit. Oh, wait a minute, Ms. Robinson is not out yet. Can we put up the sign for the lady in the Moto G stylus? I sent her a note a long time ago asking her to connect the audio, but she didn't.
Mr. Lamette has been made a very generous offer.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Limit. I'll give you an opportunity to speak. What is the offer going to be?
1 count of failure to display, 1 count of improper plates, and 1 count of disorderly conduct. The rest will be dismissed.
You want to take the deal, Mr. Limit?
Yes, sir.
You want to raise your right hand, please? You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Do you understand the maximum possible penalty for these misdemeanor offenses are 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes,
Do you understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
yes,
Ms. Dayton Robinson went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
yes,
You understood those rights?
yes, I do.
Do you have any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
Wait a minute. Okay, well, this is just going to, the trial date was set for these other matters. So we'll just take the plea and just cancel the trial dates then. Do you understand? And then
Yes,
what about the traffic control device ticket? What are they gonna do with that?
Everything is being dismissed with the plea to these three matters, Your Honor.
So the agreement to set aside the responsible plea?
Ms. Mason?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you credit for paying that 130 for the other matters. You understood those rights that Ms. Gayton Robinson went over with you?
Yes, I do.
Any questions about those rights?
No,
You know by taking this deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
yes, I do.
Anybody offer you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
Failure to display, what did you say? Failure to display, one count of disorderly conduct and one count of improper plates?
Yes, Your Honor, that is correct.
And Your Honor, I'm sorry, with the usual provisions on that, morality class, the community service.
Let me draw your attention back to October 11th, 2022 at around 5:20 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of 2nd and Geneva Street, sir. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes,
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
yes,
Did the officer ask you to produce valid, did your officer ask you to produce a valid driver's license?
yes,
You couldn't do so, could you?
no,
Why is that?
because I never had a license.
All right, find your client guilty as of the amended count of failure to display. Was there something wrong with the plates on that vehicle, sir?
I'm not sure.
Did the officer ask you to produce valid insurance?
Yes,
You couldn't do so, could you?
no,
Why is that?
because I didn't have it at the time.
Very well. I'm gonna find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate 240. I'll dismiss that upon payment. And let me draw your attention back to August the 22nd, 2023 at around 9:19 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Edgevale and John R. Street. Were you at that location around that date and time?
Yes, sir.
Did you do something out there to cause a police disturbance?
Yes, sir.
And would you agree that the causing of that police presence disturbed the good, quiet nature of that community?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find him guilty as to the amended count of disorderly conduct. I'm gonna order you to do a misdemeanor morality class and HIV STD testing. Results will be private to you. Stipulation of probable cause, counsel, I'll dismiss the other matters.
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
And $440 for that fine. So I have $240. What I'll do is I'm just gonna charge you $110 for that, because I'm gonna give you credit for the $130 you've already paid. All right, $110, $240, and $240. I'll waive the warrant fees. You at least have one reinstatement fee. I don't know if it's more, but I see one reinstatement fee. I'm going to give you 30 days. I need your telephone number to refer it to probation.
313-742-7896.
I'm referring it to probation for you to get the misdemeanor morality course. And if you don't have a place where you already test, they'll give you a place to test. I'm going to give you 30 days to get this done. Come back on June 20th, 2024. Pay the fines and costs at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDat app to your phone. If you don't have any further questions, and you can also come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Answer the calls you may not recognize. Hopefully that call is for probation department. If you don't hear from them in the next week or so, get back in touch with the court so we can get you in contact with them. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
There's nothing further. Have a very good day. And best of luck. You too. City of Detroit versus Anya Lewis. Did I get the correct pronunciation correct now?
Yes, sir. Anya Lewis.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Anya Lewis. Case number U687132224. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Lewis.
Anya Latice Lewis.
Ms. Lewis, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. Do you have stable housing, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
The offer, as it's written right now, is pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Have a conversation with him, all right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, can you see me?
No, I saw you one time earlier, but that's never come back. Going to breakout room with Mr. Berry is an EWOP ticket, Mr. Berry. The allegation says that the premises enter without owner's permission on Montrose Street, 11407. Let me put you in a breakout room, have a private conversation with Mr. Berry. Join the room, please.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's go ahead and pass the matter. Ms. Robinson, your client, Lyons, Daryl Lyons, set matter for trial. The young lady that's on the device, can you put up the thing so she can see it? Garner, let's get Garner. Can we make sure Garner is, yeah, Whitey never came.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yeah, I'm trying to wait on the lawyer. Let me see if I can get him. Do we have a good phone number from you, Garner?
Yes, Your Honor.
313, is it 313-283-6383?
Yes, sir. But I was thinking like, maybe I can go back in the breakout room and speak with someone because I need to resolve this matter. I took off work today, and then I'm quite sure I'm gonna have to do this again. I missed like 4 hours of the day.
I think that's the reason why you asked for a appointed attorney, because if you resolve this matter, they're asking you to plead to 2 alcohol-related offenses, 4 points on your driving record, and amongst other things. So, you know, if you want to rush it and you just like everybody, like some other people come here, I just want to get it over with, and that's fine with me. But I think that's what you're. So what we'll do.
Go ahead.
What we'll do is we'll reset this for trial. Then and I'll work around your schedule as far as work. Just make sure you show up. Come on, 27th, 2024. I'm gonna have Attorney Whitey call you today.
Okay, I didn't hear the month. I heard the day, 27th of what?
August 27th, 2024 at
That's my birthday.
Oh, well, you come in and hopefully you have a birthday present and you get the cases dismissed, but August 27th, I'm gonna have Attorney Whitey call you today, all right?
Okay, that sounds good. So I'm good right now?
Yeah, further have a good day, but best of luck to you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Same to you.
Are you welcome? We're still not getting a response on the Moto G stylist. I'm gonna remove her from the room and hopefully she signs back in. You can take it down.
Okay, is that the last person?
That was the last person. Officer Tanti, you're free to leave. Be safe. Just make sure you get some contact.
Are we all set, Judge?
Oh, we have one other lady that never connected to audio. I sent a couple of messages to her and we put it on the screen. So I'll put her out the room and hopefully she comes back in. Who's that?
Sorry. I'm like, I could have just got somebody.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we seek a trial and appointment of counsel, please.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lewis?
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's give me a good phone number, please, from you.
Yes, 313-257-4853.
4853. Need appointed counsel. Let's set it for the 27th of August at 9 a.m. And do this, Ms. Lewis, answer the calls you may not recognize. Hopefully one of those calls is that appointed attorney. And if you don't hear from an attorney in the next couple of weeks, Zoom back in, we'll appoint one for you on the spot, all right?
Okay, thank you. And what day did you say that was the August?
7th of August, 27th of August. If you don't have any further questions, ma'am, best of luck to you now. And have a great day. I'll see you back on the 27th, all right?
Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right.